Hi everyone.
Hi everyone.
Now Sunday. It's my second day in the Philippines. I just arrived yesterday morning, 8 a.m. I arrived Philippines, Clark International Airport. And already yesterday I was in the walking street and music festival. Already I made many videos from yesterday, from Saturday. Shaira staying home. Yesterday she said, I don't want to go to the so noisy place. That's why I am only alone. Georgi also said, I don't want to go to the music festival because so many people and he don't like. And now we're going to the same city, Clark. We need to buy cat foods and also we want it in the same Clark. Shaira said I want it in Singaporean restaurant, but I already in China and Hong Kong in same restaurant I already eat. It's same good, same foods. But in Hong Kong only different price, but good also. SM Clark. This is bus stop. Bus stop to the Manila. Genesis. So many people waiting right now. Foods, vegetable. People already in the Philippines prepare for Christmas. So many. Shaira. Hi Shaira. Good looking today again. Happy holiday. 61 days to Christmas. 61 days. Check back. Roll. Pizza Hut. In the same good. Many people. Sunday, so many people. Oh, Starbucks busy today. So you want to eat in Singaporean restaurant, yeah? Okay, and later we will buy foods for cat. Shaira, can we walk? I want to see. Maybe have Christmas tree already, I don't know. Wait, Shaira, wait. What is this? MG. Very cheap car here. Shaira? Okay, she can walk. Shaira's family bought same car.
You can get this one, sir?
No, I already filming here. Okay, thank you. How much this car?
878, sir.
878. Not need to down payment.
If you pay cash, pay in
No,
cash.
down payment, not need down payment.
No.
Not need. It's good.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. I asked Shaira because her family bought the same car and they said, okay, Shaira don't want to talk. I know, Shaira want eat, that's why she wants so fast, I even cannot stop. Always the same. When she eat, not hungry, she can stop and we can talk with her. Coffee bean also busy. Yeah, many people today. Yeah, Christmas tree. Only in the Philippines they start prepare Christmas so early. Oh, Shaira won't take picture, that's why she stop. And I can talk with her. Shaira, I want to talk before, but you so fast run. Your family bought the same MG5, yes? And not need down payment. But how much or how many years need to pay? 5 years. And how every month how much need to pay? You don't know. It's your sister?
It's joint account.
Okay.
Young sister husband also.
Okay. Holidays, SM City Clark. Good. Food court.
Snake nga, di ba?
Special promo. Everywhere. Decoration. Christmas decoration. Oh, Interlac. Interlac. Santa Ignacia Interlac. These houses. Good looking. Interlac. Okay, I will check on internet where Interlac. Interlac, it's 1 hour only. Maybe 40 minutes only drive from Angeles City. It's not so far. Yeah, our place. Before we eat always in a Japanese restaurant, but now Shaira said we want it now and here. Okay, so, same Shaira, same. For me, yes, and for you. This place outside is not cold, but if you want with aircon, you can sit inside. You can sit here. This is place with aircon, little bit colder. So we always choose. What, Shaira? Need order. Okay.
This one
Yeah, this
and this one.
and this one. Okay. For me, this one. Yeah.
No, it's for you, this one.
Okay, not problem. Choose any. I don't want it. I eat little bit. You can eat for me. This is food. We order again chicken, another chicken, crackers, rice, and egg. They will give egg also. Its total price is 497 peso, about 500 peso. So it's about $8, $8 American dollar. It's normal price. Вот Шайра войд. Egg. I already asked Shaira. Shaira, why you so fast? Because I want it right now. Yes, I want to talk with her. She said, better first I will eat and let her talk. Okay, eat first, Shaira. We just finished it already. What, Shaira, food's for you, good or not?
It's good, and I'm more hungry right now.
After eat, she said, I want to eat more. She hungry even after eating restaurant, and we go now to where?
Dunkin' Donut.
She won't drink coffee with donuts. So after eat, you again hungry.
Yes, I'm so hungry right now.
I don't know. Maybe you need.
So many food. Even I eat so many rice, but I'm really hungry. I can hear in my mouth like I want
Before
more.
eat hungry, after eat also hungry.
Yes, because
Maybe you need only coffee, little bit drink.
no, because before last 1 week, I've been in a hospital, right? My body's so tired, and I always eat. That's why my body right now it's like, oh, it's not enough for you. You need more.
Okay. Also coffee. Japanese bakery. Popular also. Already Christmas decoration sales in Ace Hardware. Yeah, so many decoration. I seen in Shenzhen. What is this? Vape? I seen so many in Shenzhen. Oh, bus. Shaira want to buy for young sister shawarma. Very popular shawarma. So many people always. Take a look. Always so many people. Only here. Lion. And she will wait. So you... Huh?
There's so many, you know?
Yes, so many people, really. Okay, later you can buy. Not now. Chicken price 180 peso today. Let's see. New shop. Yes, new shop, chair for office, for game. Oh, interesting. Oh, available table. Shaira, you can sit. Available one table. Shaira now waiting in the line. She want to buy shawarma for young sister. But I go to buy for cat foods. I bought foods for cat in Pet Express. Very popular. And cheaper than in SM hypermarket. I bought 1 kilograms for 150. It's cheaper than in SM hypermarket. Many people right now. I want to find Shaira right now. I don't know where Shaira. Don't have Shaira. I don't know where. Shaira, you already bought shawarma?
Yes, it's so many people.
I know, I see. But where you been?
CR, so many people.
Ah, in CR so many people. Everywhere so many people weekend. McDonald's also, so many people. Going to home right now. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe and like. Salamat.